welcome to Tell a Friend. And today we're at a place where we see lots of cars. And right now I'm there, and these are costumes that we can try on. And I saw robots mending cars, and it was super interesting. And we got to learn more about cars.
Right? So also find a 90 airbag setup, and you can walk through the airbag walls. You can sprint.
Prevent accidents and keep passengers safe. You can see 4 kinds of.
Is your seatbelt on?
Yes, Mom!
And we can beat the ball. We can see.
So I went in lots of different cars, and I went to a 3D movie, to a show, and it was super fun and scary but fun. So, and I asked my mom, can we go again to a different one though? My mom said maybe. It's gonna be super. Hope you had fun, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Bye!